Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This is the machine. I sold this machine to Western Africa, and this machine will be used in Banjul, Gambia. In Western Africa, there are many ice plants, and the competition in the ice market is heated. To become the winner in the ice market, you should make better quality ice flakes. Ice flakes should be thicker and stronger. Such better quality ice flakes are with more cooling powers. We use the many additional components in this machine to increase this machine's efficiency. So this machine can make thicker and stronger ice flakes than other Chinese machines. I will put the camera here so we can focus on the machine's ice outlet to check the quality of ice flakes made by our machine. Okay, let's check the quality of ice flakes made by this 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. The ice thickness is more than 2.5 millimeters. It is very well frozen ice flakes. It's thicker and stronger. Such better quality ice flakes are with more cooling power than the ice made by other Chinese machines. They are obviously thicker. Let's also collect some ice from here. We can see the ice thickness is more than 2.5 millimeters. Okay, so this is the key to win in the ice market, making better quality ice flakes than your competitors. Customers prefer to buy the ice flakes with more cooling power. Okay, so this is the video to prove my flake ice machines can make better quality ice flakes than other Chinese flake ice machines. We can see the ice is formed on the liquid supply pipe, and the liquid supply temperature is all degrees Celsius. And now we check the evaporating temperature inside the ice generator. It's -30, and that is why the system can make better quality ice flakes. Thanks to our additional components like the economizer, the heat exchanger, everything. These additional components greatly and obviously increased the efficiency of our flake ice machine. Take our flake ice machines to make better quality ice flakes than your competitors, and you will become the winner in the ice market.